Well, we already did that last weekend. Use this to tow that. And now we're going to play with it. And I can find the key to unlock it. Yeah. Do the old zoom out here. Ashtray. Fuel key. Oh, bouncy balls. I haven't played with these never. Yeah. Yeah.
Keep playing with that board and you're gonna break it.
That's okay, we got the Oldsmobile fixed too, so. Just do this here and put the bouncy ball in there and put the fuel key in this thing. What'd you do with the other set of keys for this?
Oh.
Nothing. Just Perry wanted that box back, so.
When I'm done with it.
Ooh.
Come on, play.
Oh, see? Fuel key. Yeah, that's fine. It's just surface rust.
Drip on your camera.
Dent. Dent. Oh, that's exciting, huh? Van Easton Chevrolet from Eatonville. Huh. This Ford came from a Chevy dealership. Van Eaton Chevrolet in Eatonville, Washington.
So bad Ford doesn't even want to sell it.
Be nice. This vehicle is not equipped with the Ford Ambulance Preparation Package.
I could have told you that.
Yes. There's the pertinent information. Oh, it's got the oversized tires on it already. Action shot. Yeah. A bit of surface rust in a couple spots. We'll fix her up. Okay. I need a flathead screwdriver stat.
So what?
What? My house bitch has been cleaning my garage for me. Flathead. Yes, you know, that's the straight one. These mechanics, you got to teach them everything. No wonder they overcharge you for repairs on your vehicles at the dealership. They can't even figure out their own damn tools.
No, it's because my tools say snap on.
Oh, even worse.
Oh, we starting?
This one says Popular Mechanics. Yeah.
The least popular mechanics.
Hey, Mom and Dad bought me this set when I was in high school, I think. All right, first work on the truck, other than the solenoid that Kevin did. Trying to do this one-handed here. Is there a tab on the bottom that holds them in place? No, just me being a goof.
Stop swinging the purse at it.
Screw you, man. Shit, I'm not going to share the profits on this anymore. Yeah. It's got a retainer in the middle too, so you can't really separate them. It's not my fault.
There, I'm done working.
Yep, that's about enough for the day. Let's go ahead and knock off. Gotta take this thing real easy, you know. Got a son of a bitch up there to undo that if you are so desired.
Remember the Ford sizes.
It's gonna be a learning experience. There's a motor way down in there. You know what? Let's not sell it. Let's keep it.
Yeah.
Let's put a cold air intake on it, headers. Turbocharge this bastard. A little bit of gunk inside there, but
the cats or the mice have been hanging out on top of the distributor.
Don't get anthrax or anything when you're working on this, all right? I'll be inside where it's warm. Let me know when you're done. Funny guy, funny guy.
Should get a
What is this bracket for?
lifting motor and stuff.
Okay.
One on the back corner.
Is there? Yeah.
So we have to pull the motor.
I hope not. There's the lovely weather for the day. This weather report brought to you by Ford. Found on road dead. Actually, this one was found beside the road dead.
Kind of chilly. Hands are gonna get cold real quick. Need air hose.
In California, you'd be warmer. Got one right over there.
Spray all the anthrax off.
Do it! Do it! Pontiac motor.
Plugged in.
It's probably full.
What? It holds air?
Yeah, I know.
I'm used to that.
Well, it is a Craftsman. Just don't put your hands next to that compressor really, Bob, there. Have you ever come across the Teflon tape?
Yeah. Think I put on top of your car? Inside of another roll of tape?
Side of another roller. Hey! He wasn't lying. Because I've got the fittings for that other hose there.
Too bad I know where your tools are better than you.
Well, you spent more time out here than I have.
Paper towel or something?
No, I'm out. I'm all out.
Pulling already on the ground there.
Well, you ripped what on the ground? Don't show those. Clips. Looks like a worn out grinding wheel. That must be the original from the grinder. You're that. To hang or something. Brake fluid. You're that. Oh, you chooching? And I missed it? Yeah, focus.
Chooching mouth crap.
Yeah.
Blow mice out of this thing.
I got a shop vac too, you know.
Oh well. Just don't breathe for the next 5 minutes.
Okay. Yeah. Alrighty. 8 minutes in. We'll shut the camera off and come back when we start doing some real work. Bye-bye.